Emergency, emergency. Vehicles to the rescue. Written by Rhiann Williams. Illustrations by Tom Gellett. Fire trucks, police cars, and ambulances too. Here come the vehicles to rescue you. Hooray for the fire trucks, all the people shout. Here come the fire trucks to put the fire out. Police cars race, blue lights flash, and sirens blare. A little boy's lost in the city somewhere. We have to call the ambulance, quick, quick, quick. A rider's had a fall and she's feeling very sick. Hooray for the water bombers, soaring through the sky, dropping water on the bushfire as they go flying by. Climbers are stranded on a steep mountain slope. They'll need the helicopter with its winch and rope. Hooray for the jet ski, zooming out to sea. Off to save a swimmer calling, "Please rescue me." A yacht is in trouble, and it's only just afloat. The sailors need help. Time to send the Coast Guard boat. Rain keeps falling, flooding water all around. Dinghies race in, and it's off to higher ground. Hikers are missing, and we need them safely back. Off goes the rescue drone to search the walking track. Someone's been bitten by a snake in the bush. The flying doctor plane sets off with a whoosh. Hooray for the vehicles that have come to rescue you. The mobile command post will tell them what to do. Emergency, emergency. Who do you call? 000, police, fire, ambulance. The number for them all. Emergencies can happen anywhere, anytime. In any kind of emergency, at any time, day or night, call 000 to get help. Fire trucks in towns and cities take water from fire hydrants. When police cars and other emergency vehicles use their lights and sirens, other vehicles must pull over to let them go past. An ambulance is like a mini hospital on wheels. The world's largest water bomber is a jumbo jet. It would take 34 trips to fill one Olympic swimming pool. Helicopters are very useful in emergencies in difficult to reach places. Jet skis move fast over water and can jump waves with ease. Coast Guard boats rescue people in trouble at sea. During events such as storms, ship fires, or medical emergencies. dinghies are used by different emergency services, such as the State Emergency Services, SES, and Surf Lifesaving to rescue people. Rescue drones can search very quickly in hard-to-reach places. And help find people who are lost or hurt. The Royal Flying Doctor Service plane is like a mini hospital in the air. The mobile command post directs all the emergency vehicles that are working together in an emergency. Emergency vehicles come in lots of different colours. Some are red, some are white, some are blue, and some are even pink or yellow. Thank you.